prepositions. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because part of my course and the next thing that we'll be going over is actually describing people. So when it comes to physical traits, in Gaelic, we say on me, on you, on him. When we're talking about the occupations, it's in me, in you, and in him. And when it's possession, it's at me, at you, and at him. Now, let me explain a bit about that. For those of you who don't know, and it is a bit of a kind of like major culture shock, in Gaelic, you don't possess things, they're at you. So if you've been following this channel for a long time, it's something that you know, okay? So if I want to say I have a cat, it's basically ha cat akum. The cat is at me. Yeah. If I want to talk about my cat, I can say mochat because it's lanite with the H, which is something else. Let me just see if I can write some of this stuff down. So just as an example of a possessive, ha cat akum. Okay, I have a cat. Okay. My cat, mochat, okay, because it has the extra H in there because of lenition. Okay. That's used for possessives. Yeah. For occupations, and I tried to talk about this last week, but I don't think I was very successful. That becomes in me. So, for example, you wouldn't say I am a teacher. You would say it's a teacher that's in me. Yeah. Okay. So that becomes. I don't know if I can type the backstroke here. It's the one going the other way I'm looking for, which I can't find. Maybe I can fix it in a minute. Okay. So I want to say, she, I'm not worrying about the accents here, okay, or anything like that. She teacher Hannam. Yeah. Like this. Okay. And I think it's actually written like this. She teacher Hannam. That's what I want. I want him. That little figure. Let's take it.